3號強風信號生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺下晝3點，熱帶風暴塔巴集結喺香港以南大約340公里，即係北緯19.2度、東經114度附近。預料向西北偏北移動，時速大約18公里，靠近廣東西部沿岸並逐漸增強。過去2-3個鐘，塔巴穩定咁向西北偏北方向移動，而佢嘅外圍雷雨帶亦都正係影響廣東沿岸。按照現時嘅預測，塔巴會進一步增強並靠近廣東西部沿岸，喺聽朝喺香港西南面200公里內掠過。佢嘅烈風區將會逐漸影響珠江口一帶，本港風勢將會逐步增強。天文台會考慮喺今晚9點至午夜12點之間改發8號烈風或暴風信號。預料本港今日間中有狂風驟雨同雷暴，雨勢有時頗大。聽日仍然有狂風大驟雨，初時風勢頗大，海有大浪同湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊，停止所有水上活動。受風暴潮影響，聽朝部分沿岸低洼地區有機會出現水浸。喺下晝1點半至2點半，天文台錄得昂坪嘅最高持續風速係每小時50公里，最高陣風每小時60公里。
The strong wind signal number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 3 p.m., tropical storm Tapa was estimated to be about 340 kilometers south of Hong Kong, which is near 19.2 degrees north, 114.0 degrees east, and is forecast to move north-northwest at about 18 kilometers per hour, edging closer to the western coast of Guangdong and intensifying gradually. In the past couple of hours, Tapa moved north-northwest steadily. Its outer bands of thundery showers are affecting the coast of Guangdong. According to the present forecast, Tapa will intensify further and edge closer to the coast of western Guangdong. It will skirt within 200 kilometers southwest of Hong Kong tomorrow morning. Its associated gale winds will affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary gradually. Local winds will strengthen progressively. The observatory will consider issuing the gale or storm signal number 8 between 9 p.m. and midnight tonight. Locally, there will be occasional squally showers and thunderstorms today. Showers will be heavy at times. There will still be heavy squally showers tomorrow, and it will be windy at first. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. Due to storm surge, flooding may occur over parts of the low-lying coastal areas tomorrow morning. From 1:30 to 2:30 p.m., the maximum sustained winds recorded at Ngong Ping is 50 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 60 km per hour.